Workstorm's video conference layout can be customized on a call-by-call basis using grid mode. To use grid mode, in the left sidebar, click the view icon to switch from stage mode to grid mode. Then, click More, Settings, and open the Layout tab. Now, adjust the Max Video Feeds slider. If you would like more yet smaller feeds per page, increase the number. If you want fewer, larger feeds per page, decrease the number. Then, click Save Changes. Verify that the number and size of visible feeds is optimized for this specific video conference. If your video conference has multiple pages, use either the arrows on the left and right of the screen or the numbers on the bottom to navigate between them.